Good day. This video presents the standard front office operations in a hotel setting. Ipapakita namin dito kung paano hinahandle ng front desk ang guests, from reservation hanggang check-in, hanggang sa pag-assist ng kanilang requests. The front desk is considered the face of the hotel dahil sila ang unang nakakausap ng guests. Because of this, napaka-importante ng professionalism, good communication skills, and proper handling of guest concerns. Sa video na ito, makikita natin kung paano na-apply ang mga skills na ito in real-life situations and how they contribute to a positive and satisfying guest experience. In this first scenario, we will demonstrate the reservation stage through a phone call. Dito nagsisimula ang guest experience kung saan ang front desk agent ang unang nakakausap ng guest. This stage is very important because it sets the first impression and ensures that all reservation details are accurately recorded.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Sandro's Hotel Manila. This is Miss Balicoco speaking. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I would like to make a reservation for next weekend.
Certainly, sir. I'll be happy to assist you.
The front desk agent begins with professional greeting, clearly stating the hotel name and offering assistance. Sa hospitality industry, mahalaga ang proper greeting dahil ito ang unang impression ng guest sa serbisyo ng hotel.
May I know your preferred dates and the number of guests?
April 18 to 20 for 2 persons.
While asking for the guest's preferred dates and number of guests, the front desk agent carefully gathers all necessary information. Dapat malinaw at tama ang details na makukuha dahil dito nakabase ang availability at reservation.
Thank you, sir. Let me just check the availability for those dates.
After a brief moment, the front desk agent checks the system to confirm room availability. This step ensures that hotel can accommodate the guest request and prevents overbooking.
Yes, we do have more availables. May I ask if you stays for leisure, business, or a special occasion?
It's for leisure, just a short getaway.
That sounds wonderful.
The front desk agent offers different room options based on the guest's needs.
However, if
Dito makikita ang upselling technique kung saan ina-offer ang higher room category to enhance the guest's experience.
What are the benefits of the premier room?
The premier room offers a larger space, a beautiful city view, and a complimentary minibar items. It's ideal for guests who want added comfort during their stay. In addition, we currently offer a weekend package. This includes complimentary breakfast for two, and also a 20% discount on spa services, and the late checkout until 2 o'clock p.m.
The agent also introduced a promotional package to add more value to the guest stay. Sa ganitong paraan, napapakita ang benefits while also increasing hotel revenue. That sounds like a good deal.
Yes, sir. For a minimal additional cost, you receive more value and more enjoyable experience overall.
Alright, I will take the premier room with the package.
Excellent choice, sir. May I get your details to confirm the reservation?
Once the guest agrees, the front desk agent proceeds to collect personal details to finalize the reservation. Accuracy at this stage is very important to avoid errors in booking.
In this scenario, we will demonstrate the check-in process at the front desk. This is where the guest officially arrives at the hotel, and the front desk ensures that all reservations detailed are verified.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel Manila. May I have your name, please? Greeting moment. The front desk agent welcomes the guest with a warm and professional greeting. Ang proper welcome ay importante para maramdaman ng guest na valued sila.
Gan, I have a reservation.
Thank you, Mr. Gan. Yes, I have your booking here for premier room for 8 nights. May I please see a valid ID?
The agent requests a valid ID to verify the guest's identity. This is a part of standard hotel procedure to ensure security and accuracy.
Thank you, sir. Everything is in order. Before I finalize your check-in, I would like to inform you that we currently have a limited offer for an executive suite upgrade.
What does the upgrade include?
The front desk agent offers a room upgrade to enhance the guest's stay. This is an example of upselling where additional services are offered in a professional and non-pressure manner. The executive suite features are a separate living area, a bathtub with premier amenities, and access to the executive lounge with complimentary snacks and beverages.
That sounds appealing.
Yes, sir. It's ideal for guests who prefer more space, privacy, and a more exclusive experience.
How much is the upgrade?
The agent clearly explains the additional cost of the upgrade. Transparency is important to ensure that the guests fully understand the charges before making a decision.
It's only an additional 2,000 per night.
Alright, we'll take the upgrade.
Wonderful choice, sir.
After a short while, the front desk agent updates the system to reflect the upgraded room. Proper system updates ensure coordination with other departments.
Your room has been upgraded. Please enjoy your stay, and if you need any assistance, feel free to contact us anytime.
In this final scenario, we demonstrate guest interaction during their stay. The goal is to ensure guest satisfaction by offering additional services and assistance.
Good afternoon, Mr. Gan. How was your stay been so far?
It has been very comfortable. Thank you.
I'm very glad to hear that, sir.
The front desk agent asks about the guest experience so far. This shows concern for the guest's comfort and allows the hotel to address any issue immediately.
Since you're staying for leisure, I would like to recommend a few services that may further enhance your experience. We currently offer a relaxing spa package, an international dinner buffet, and a private transportation services for seafarers.
The agent recommends additional services such as spa, dining, and transportation. This enhances the guest experience while also promoting hotel services.
The spa sounds interesting.
Excellent choice, sir.
That could be great.
Perfect. I will secure your booking right away. for tomorrow, would you like to avail of our late checkout option until 4 o'clock p.m.?
Yes, that would be very convenient.
The agent offers a late checkout option for added convenience. This reflects flexibility and customer-focused service.
Certainly, sir. I have arranged it for you. Should you need anything further, please do not hesitate to contact us.
Final arrangement. After a few moments, the request is successfully arranged and confirmed in the system. Proper documentation ensures that all services are delivered as promised.
The front desk plays a very important role in hotel operations. Sila ang responsible sa pag-manage ng reservations, pag-assist sa guests at pakikipag-coordinate sa ibang departments tulad ng housekeeping and concierge. Hindi lang basta pag-entertain ng guests ang trabaho nila. They also need to multitask, handle different situations, and solve problems quickly. Kailangan din nila ng strong attention to detail dahil kahit maliit na mistake like wrong date or wrong room type can lead to bigger problems such as overbooking or guest dissatisfaction.
In handling reservations, accuracy is very important. Dapat tama ang pag-record ng guest details tulad ng name, check-in and check-out dates, room type and special requests. For example, kung mali ang date na na-input, possible na mawala ng available room ang guest pagdating nila. That is why the front desk agent must always double-check the information before confirming the reservation. Attention to detail is very important here dahil nakakatulong ito para maiwasan ng errors at masigurado na smooth ang stay ng guests from the beginning.
When offering upgrades or additional services, the front desk agent must explain everything clearly. Dapat transparent sa presyo at sa benefits ng upgrade. For example, kung may available na higher room category, the agent may offer it to the guest and explain the additional cost. Importante na hindi pinipressure ang guest, but instead nagbibigay lang ng options. Once the guest agrees, the agent updates the system and processes the request. This shows professionalism and helps build trust between the hotel and the guest.
Guests may have different requests during their stay. These may include housekeeping services, restaurant reservations, or additional amenities. Kapag may request ang guest, the front desk agent listens carefully and confirms the details. After that, they coordinate with the appropriate department to fulfill the request. Mahalaga ang clear communication para maiwasan ng misunderstandings at para maibigay agad ang kailangan ng guest. In conclusion, front office operations play a very important role in ensuring guest satisfaction.
From handling reservations to assisting guest requests, every step requires accuracy, communication, and professionalism.
Sa pamamagitan ng teamwork at proper procedures, the hotel is able to deliver quality service and create a positive experience for every guest.
Thank you for watching.